Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to Arty Resin channel. My name is Thais, and for today's video I chose this little tray mold. It's gonna be my first time using it, believe it or not, because it's like people are doing this forever, right? I've never done it before. I bought 2 of those. So what I'm going to do is something that I've never done before, and I want to see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna dust the glow-in-the-dark pigments directly to the mold. I don't know, guys, if it's gonna work, because normally I mix the pigments, the glow-in-the-dark pigments, directly to the resin to pour, you know, but I want to give it a try to see if it works or not. So I'm going to put this, I'm not going to use any kind of resin here. I'm just gonna put this right in the middle here. It says snake, like that. Press it down to stick to the mold. That's definitely not in the middle, and I want it in the middle, so let me take this off. This is a sticker, but I don't want to, no, I'm gonna leave it like that, because it's not, this is paper, but this is not, this is plastic, see? But I'm not gonna take the paper off. I'm gonna leave it like that. Let me see if it's in the middle. A little bit more maybe. Like that. Let's see. Yeah, like that. Okay. I think we're good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna press it down to make sure it's all stuck to the mold, right? And what I want to do, like the border, like the, I have a package of them. See, of those stickers, they're all black here around them. So I'm gonna use black pigment, black resin to cover it, and let's see how it goes. So those glow-in-the-dark pigments, I remember I bought them some years ago on Tmall.com or AliExpress. I really don't remember, guys, I'm sorry, but yeah, they glow in the dark, and I know they work because I've used them before. But like I said, like mixing in the resin and then pouring, so I don't know, like doing like that, if it's gonna work or not, you know, if it's gonna give it some color, if it's gonna glow, what it's gonna happen. I really don't know. I don't want to get too close to the sticker with the pigments, because as I said, it's black around it, so I want the black pigment to be around it, you know. I don't want to cover it with the glow-in-the-dark pigments. So oh look, I've never used this one, and they're really old. I don't know why, because this color is really beautiful. I'm not reading the colors for you, right, guys? So this is, it says that it's red. This is kiwi, can you guys see? And this is violet. Okay, and now I'm gonna use orange. Never used this one too. put it here. Okay. I don't know if I get a little closer. I don't think I will. I think that's enough. Yeah, I'm gonna put the. Yeah, I'm gonna mix my resin and I'll be right back. I'm going to use the Platinum. I don't know if you guys can see here. Platinum 360 Plus, because it's not a really deep mold. So I'm just getting my resin ready. I put 100 milliliters of resin because this is two part A to 1 part B. So now I gotta put 50 milliliters of hardener. There we go. Part B. I'm gonna mix it for at least 3 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. My resin is ready and I separated here the black pigment I'm gonna use. It's from Timo.com. I'm gonna mix a little bit of the neon orange Sullen extra fine glitter. That's from Walmart. But I'm gonna save a little bit of just the black. I'm gonna separate in this cup because I'm gonna pour the black and orange right in the middle, and then I'm gonna save just the black to pour right in the middle to finish it because I want right around it to be just black. So I'm gonna try that. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but let's try. Okay, so let's. I don't know if you guys can see from there. Let's see if it's gonna be enough. If it's not enough, you can always put more, right? Let's mix this to make sure. Put this. I think it's enough, guys. So I'm gonna put a little bit here. Okay. Now I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna mix the orange glitter there. I know it sinks. This glitter sinks, so I don't know what color it's going to be when it sinks. It was supposed to be orange, but mixing with the black, I don't know. I'm cleaning my sticks because it's hard to do it later. It's harder. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna need this. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna pour this all because it's not too much glitter, so it won't be that bad. Guys, I'm not gonna mix more glitter here. I'm just gonna pour it. I think it's one. I don't know if I said it, if I told you guys, but I mixed the total of 150 milliliters, and I think it's exactly it. Let's see. Yep. I could use like maybe 10 milliliters more, but it's good. Yeah. Okay, so 150 milliliters. Yeah. Now we just gotta wait for it to cure, fully cured, so we can demote it, right? I hope to see you guys at demoting time. I'll be back in 24 hours. Bye. Hi guys, 24 hours later and I'm back. Let's demote this to see. I hope it worked. We're gonna find out together. I have no idea. It was my first time using this mold, my first time using these sticker that I didn't use as a sticker, remember? And the first time that I dusted the mold with the glow-in-the-dark pigment. So I don't know if they're gonna work. I don't know how this is going to look like, but I really hope it worked out. Please, snake, please. Oh, I think the snake is in the right place, guys. I think it's not in the mold. I think it's in the resin. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Well, we cannot see the pigments or the snake here, so I hope they're stuck in here. I hope it worked out. Let's see. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Yeah. Not that good. I can see a little bit of the pigments down here, but there are a lot of bubbles, and the sticker, it's kinda, I don't know what happened here. I'm gonna have to, it's not that bad, you know, but I will definitely need to do a top coat here, and I think it's gonna look better, you know, and then we can see if it shines in the dark. I don't think it will, but we can try, right? I'm gonna top coat this. Be right back. Okay, so I decided to finish this up with high viscosity UV resin and cure it in my UV lamp. Okay. Yeah, okay. I think you're good to cure, right? Gonna take my, I'm just going this. Actually, I'm gonna leave it here. I don't want to touch it. I'm gonna with the paper towel. Hey, oh, let's go. Okay. I'm gonna leave it here like for around 10 minutes, I think, guys, because it was a pretty thick layer of UV resin, right? So I'm gonna let it cure for around 10 minutes. Okay, guys, I left it 20 minutes. 10 minutes this side, like switching, like 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, but 10 minutes each side, you know. And what is this here? I don't know. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's cured, and it's morning, so I will try my best to find the darker spot in the house to see if it works, to see if it glows in the dark, and I'm going to show you guys. I really hope it does. I'll be back. Hi guys, I couldn't find a spot that was like dark enough earlier, but now it's nighttime and I charged. Honey, I'm here. My daughter's home. Sorry for the noise, guys. She's talking, the TV is on, it's loud. Remember in the other video, I think in the last one, I talked about that, about the TV always loud. I was complaining about the neighbor's TV, and I was like, I don't know why I'm complaining, because when my daughter's home, the TV is always so loud. Okay, so here we go. Wow. I think it looks awesome. What do you guys think? I'm charging it up with... Yeah, you can say hello.
Hello.
It's here. she was waving to the phone holder. She thought it was there. It's always there, right, honey?
Hello.
Good job. Lindy's.
Boy, I can't hold my...
Sorry, guys. I needed to stop for a bit. So, yeah. So, that's it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Should I have done something different? What would you guys have done different? To make it like glow more, maybe? Or... I don't know. What could I have done to the snake so it could be like more visible? Give me ideas. But look, I really like it. I think it was worth it. The try, right? Look. I will definitely do more of it. But you know what I was thinking? Instead of inserting the sticker first, I am going to pour I'll choose the color I want, probably black, because they are all like the edges of the stickers, all of them are black. So I'm gonna pour the black resin. If I want to do the glow in the dark stuff, I will do it, everything like that. And then as I will have to cover it to do a top coat anyways, I'm gonna insert the sticker and then do the top coat. You know, I think it will look better. What do you guys think? Okay, so here it is. I am happy with it. I think it's so nice. It's a nice effect, right? Yep. I'm gonna try to take some pictures. I don't think one in the dark will be good, but will look so good. I'm going to go, I'm going to turn the light on so you guys can see it with the light on. So yeah, here it is. We can see a little bit of the orange stripes here. Can you guys see? I think the orange one is the only one that is visible, like without torching it with the UV light. See? Here and there. Here and here. We're able to kind of see. I like it. I really do.